There's two types of people in this world. You got talkers and doers. These videos I make right here, they're about doers. This segment has been brought to you by South Coast Safaris. For all your hunting needs in the southern states, for any animal big or small, native or exotic. The Hunting Company, Puddin Productions. And don't forget to check out us and all of our sponsors on Facebook.
About as tall as you are. There you go, buddy. You tearing them up, son. You flat wearing them out. Up. You getting the hang of it now, Joe? You on the bow? You having a good time quail hunting today?
6 people. Look at that.
I think that one's dead.
Shot at it.
Go ahead and get your gun ready, okay? If he comes over here to the left, something like that, that's when you're gonna shoot him, okay?
Put it off safe.
You can take it off safe now, but just make sure he's somewhere over here if you want to shoot him, okay? Shoot him. Yeah, that's cool. But we're kind of busy today, but I'll definitely call you back, okay?
Thank you very much, Dustin.
All right, appreciate it.
I'm thinking about going to get a shot. I'm going to have to go ahead and shoot quick.
Get up there, even with it on the side. There we go.
I didn't shoot.
Finally got your shot off, huh? There you go.
Alright, here we go. What? We got spit balls, Ian. There you go. King it. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Somebody else shot.
That's what I'm talking about. That's Western.
Right in the
Just
tree.
You creamed that one. Yeah. That one just got terminated right there. Bird didn't have a freaking chance. That thing's in pieces.
I'd say you hit that one pretty solid.
There you go. Shot, man. Don't give me all. Don't look at me all crazy-eyed. You did good. Did I?
That boy can shoot.
Right here, right here.
Crank the ball cousin right there.
Y'all stay on the line.
There you go. Whoa. Let's come back this way. They're going toward the wind. There you go. Oh, oh.
I got the black one.
That's it.
There ain't much left of that.
I killed that one, didn't I?
Up, up.
Chill out, Mizell.
$2.5 on that one, girl.
That'll do it.
Well, folks, as you can see, we've had an awesome day of bird hunting out here today. Lots and lots of pheasants, lots and lots of quail. Got some white quail, got some speckled quail, bob whites, and ring-necked pheasants. It's been a great, great day. I mean, an absolute pile of birds. We had a lot of first-time hunters out here today, but they did a great job. I mean, feathers were flying all day long, and it's about time to go deer hunting now. But all around, just an awesome time down here in South Mississippi. Y'all should come check it out, folks. Did y'all have a good time today?
Yes!
This segment has been brought to you by South Coast Safaris. For all your hunting needs in the southern states, for any animal big or small, native or exotic. The Hunting Company, worldwide outdoor adventures and so much more. For any of the gear that we use during the show, you can visit our website under the Gear and Merchandise tab, order over the phone, or visit us in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Mizell's Mounts. Quality taxidermy for any type of wildlife in the entire world. Fish Kebab Bow Fishing. Deep sea charters, inshore fishing, freshwater, wildlife tours, and so much more. Puddin Proof Productions. A leader in outdoor film production. The proof is in the pudding. Hunting Trips R Us. The world's best online hunting directory for guides and outfitters. The Compass Property Agency. Whether it be a hunting lodge in the woods or a condo on the beach, we can lead you in the right direction. And don't forget to check out us and all of our sponsors on Facebook. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to give me a call about any of your outdoor needs whatsoever. And remember, conserve and respect wildlife. Don't waste anything that God gives you. Don't drink and drive. Don't text and drive. Don't drink and text. See y'all next time, folks.